Inclusion accelerates innovation. For Marc Manns, guiding a diverse team on a groundbreaking automotive project showcased how different perspectives drive faster, smarter innovation.
My acceleration story at Tata Technologies began when I had the opportunity to lead a diverse team on a connected car project. The unique blend of experiences within my team allowed us to do a lot of work in parallel, accelerating the delivery and achieving outstanding results. Having a strong female allies within the team, both colleagues and managers, has helped shape a culture where diverse voices lead to stronger problem solving and innovative approaches. More recently, a major project that we're working on has a female chief engineer, and this is a forward-thinking project working on AI and machine learning, working on prognostics and battery passport. Many women hesitate to apply for certain roles that are traditionally male-dominated, but with initiatives that encourage diverse hiring, we're seeing stronger candidates emerge. The tech industry thrives on fresh ideas. Women bring unique strengths like emotional intelligence, problem-solving skills, and resilience. My advice is to be confident in your abilities. So step up, make your mark in creating your own acceleration story.